Hi everyone, what I thought I would show you how to do is import from the Commons the Start Here First Learning module and edit and customize it to make your own. So what I recommend is that you be in the course that you want to import the Start Here First Learning module. I have chosen my Canvas cohort training. Many of you have sandboxes, or some of you might be working in a live course or one that you had in the past that I created for you. If you do not have a sandbox or one that you would like to use for this purpose of the course EDUC 50, please let me know and I will create one for you. All right, so I am in the course that I want to import the module. So I can go over here into the modules, and I do have it here already, but I'm going to import it again for purposes of this training tutorial. So now I'm going to go over here to the Commons. This is on the Global Navigation menu, and you see that from wherever you're at, whether you're in my course as a student or you're in your course as a instructor. So now we're over in what's called the Commons, and I just want to share a little bit about that with you. You can find content from other instructors, other colleges, other K through 12s. You can import it into your course, and you can also share content here in this repository. Think of it as a repository. So because I know this Start Here First is a module, I can click on this module icon. Notice there's lots of different things to look at. Please share and look at. If you find anything really cool, let us know. You can import things. I just ask that you just check to make sure it's not copyright protected. Most of it should be under the Creative Commons licensing because this is a repository to share with others. So now to simply find what I have shared in the Commons, you can just type my name in the search box area and you'll notice that's hopefully the first thing that pops up. Now, this tells you a little bit about the module. You can click on the Start Here First link and we are now in the module, and you can see that it tells again a little bit about it. There may be some comments, some version change notes, and so on and so forth. So once you're sure that this is what you want to import into your course, you will come over here to this right hand side and you will select the course that you want to import it in. So notice you do have all. I would suggest for this one time that you're doing it that you make sure that this is what you want, and then you can come back and import it again into any of these courses. So once you have that selected, you're going to click on Import into this course. Notice this green tagline comes up. You have successfully started the import, so that's good news. And then I'm just going to move this over and show you that once you have successfully started the import, you can actually leave this area and go into the dashboard where your course is, because that's where you have just imported the Start Here First Learning module. So I'm going to go over to modules, click on my modules area, and notice that this Start Here First has appeared. Okay, so this is the Start Here First Learning module that I want everyone to customize and make your own. So let's just take a look at it. So just to let you know, you can collapse and expand these areas. You can also move these pages, and you'll get used to these icons. These icons right here are pages, so when you click on one, you'll notice at the top we call them breadcrumbs. So what I suggest is that you just go through this learning module. You've already seen a lot of it already because this is my Start Here First learning module for the most part. So notice the breadcrumbs, you are in a page. So you can just continue to click through each of these items just like you have in the EDUC 50 course and take a look at everything. See what you like and what you don't like. Now, here's the fun part. especially for this one. You don't want my picture there. So whenever you want to edit a page, you would come to the top right and click on edit, and it's going to take you to the rich content editor, and now you can replace all the information there. Now the good news is all the images that come along with that Start Here First Learning module will be in this course for you to reuse over and over again, and I will talk a little bit about that when we're talking about the overview page. So once you have completed your editing for this particular page, Meet Your Facilitator and Guide, you might want to change that name. I'll show you how you can do that as well. Okay, so I'm in Pages, and I want to go back to the module where you see the structure of that Start Here First Learning module. If you wanted to just change the name of this overview document, you could come over here to the cogwheel and click on Edit, and then that will give you an opportunity to just change the title, and then you can update. Notice though you have indent capabilities. So sometimes you might want to structure this similar to an outline, and you can experiment with that as well. You can actually move some of these pages, and you can actually move all of the items that you create. Now, once you edit and customize this as your own, and whether that means you're removing a page because you don't want it in this Getting Started Learning module, or you're coming over here to the plus sign and you are adding your own content page. Maybe you have some resources that you want to share with your students, so you're creating a new page. And then you can click on that page and there will be a blank area that you can edit and bring in your own information. As we learn more about this rich content editor, I will help you to create some very interactive pages. This is what I love about Canvas. Don't worry about it now. What I'm showing you right now we'll be doing later. But say I just typed in resources and I had a file already in my course that I wanted to share. And let's just look at this here. And I could actually go over here to this Insert Content panel, select it, and I hope you notice, I'll do this again. Let's just remove that link. If I highlight this and then I'm in this content panel and I find something that I want to link, if I just select it, this turns yellow and that makes it active. So again, we will be able to do some very interactive page development within our Canvas. Make sure you save it, and then you can actually go through the next item in the module. So it brings you into your module one item or one page at a time. If you want to go back and look at the structure of the learning module, then you can actually click on modules, and then this is where you can see the structure. And I could move this around if I wanted to. Maybe this is going to be more at the top. So again, customize, edit, make it a masterpiece of your very own. Feel free to remove any item. This drop-down menu will provide an opportunity for you to remove items that you don't want. And if you're an MJC instructor, you can also use Mike Smedshammer's Start Here First Learning module for MJC that he created. So I'll be sharing a lot with you. The good news is that we will continue to add to the Start Here First Learning module. You will be creating an assignment and an assessment, and also a threaded discussion introduction. So you will have more practice, but for now you just can click on these items and customize it. Some of it you might want to keep, some of it you might want to reword, and then save. Okay, that's all. I hope that helps, and have fun. This is your masterpiece, and we will be just taking a look at all of these together. I will be able to make comments. Once you let me know, go back to the assignment area and let me know that you've completed your customized Start Here First Learning module, and then I'll go into your course and I will make comments on it. So again, this is pretty fun, and thank you for your attention. I hope this tutorial helped.